Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the lower door hinge on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove the upper hinge cover and use a 3/8" socket or nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the hinge. Support the freezer door as you remove the hinge. Lift off the freezer door and set it aside. Using a 3/8" wrench, fully unthread the center hinge pin. With the hinge pin removed, you can lift the refrigerator door off of the lower hinge pin. Use the 3/8" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 mounting screws to release the old lower hinge. Install the new lower hinge by aligning it on the frame, then thread the mounting screws. Position the refrigerator door on the pin. Close the door, then thread and tighten the center hinge pin. Reposition the freezer door. Align the upper hinge and thread the 2 screws. Snap on the hinge cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.